How would you like to earn $500 weekly? Now, I came across this website called Payout Project, and today we're going to go through it and do a full Payout Project review and find out whether it is possible, as they state on their website, to earn $500 per week. So if you're looking to make some extra money online, or maybe you are looking to obviously clear some debts, etc., then make sure you stay tuned to the end of this video, because there are certain things that you're going to want to know before you actually go and join Payout Project. So let's get straight into the video straight away and find out whether Payout Project is the site that you can actually use to earn extra money online. Yeah, hi, my name's Martin from martinburt.online, and I make videos on my YouTube channel about making money online so that you can make money online too. So if this is something that actually resonates with you and you want to actually find out more about it, make sure you obviously subscribe to the channel, hit that notification bell, and you will get notified every time we make a new video. So let's go and check out my full review of payoutproject.com. Okay, let's get straight into this review then, the payoutproject.com. And as you can see here, it says join and get paid. Very simple. It also shows the PayPal logo up here, a bank wire transfer as well. And it also says you get paid bi-weekly through this system. And obviously they state here that payoutproject.com Inc. is a large-scale marketing company in the United States of America, founded in 2021. But like I say, I've done a full review of this and I've dived into the back of a Payout Project, and there are things here that you're going to want to know. So make sure you stay tuned right to the end of this video before you actually go and join. Now it says further down here that you can start a part-time work and get paid from Payout Project internet marketing up to $500 weekly. It says you can earn $5 to $8 for every small task of 2 minutes. And it says sign up and get a job bonus. And it also says here they do a 3-tier earning. Okay, so on the first level you get $5, second level $2, third level $1. Not quite sure what that is, but we'll obviously dive more into that as we go and obviously investigate more. And that's really all it says on the front page here. So I went and done obviously some more investigations and find out whether it is true. So I actually will go and log in now into the back end of the Payout Project and find out exactly what it's like inside. Okay, so we've now logged in, and to be honest, there isn't a lot here as well. It says I have earned $25 US. Okay, so that must have been my bonus for argument's sake. I don't quite know why. And it says here, task, use the link below to generate traffic and earn money for job views. $5 for every unique visitor that clicks on your link and a view job. First of all, the English isn't great on the website. I don't know whether you've noticed that. And also, obviously, it's telling you you're going to get $5 for every unique visitor that clicks on your link. Now, straight away, that's a little bit of a red flag, because, I mean, where is this money actually coming from? Okay, so bear that in mind as we go through this. Like I say, I've had no visitors so far, but I have earned the $25, or so it states. So it says here payment withdraw, payment status is enabled. I don't really know why that was. Not requested, obviously, so far. And it says here the minimum withdrawal is $500 here. And it says the withdrawal type is got down as check. And obviously, it says here you do get PayPal. So whether, again, bit misleading there. And it also says, a bit further, literally the sentence further down, the payout option will appear here when you reach a minimum payout of $800. Well, you've just said here the minimum payout is $500. So straight away, I'm not quite sure. And then literally directly underneath, you need $475 to get a payout request form. You've got 3 sentences there that all are stating different things. Really is confusing. So obviously it says here the members guide, it says obviously you've got a link. Obviously do not click on this link at all. Don't copy and paste it at the moment, because like I said, stay tuned right to the very end before you actually go and join. So it says here you've got to promote your link on forums, blogs, blog comments, chat rooms, chats, Facebook wall, Facebook pages, groups, Twitter. If you just go spamming your link in all those sites, you know what's going to happen is you're going to get banned. It's as simple as that. You can't just go and promote stuff by just spamming links everywhere. When will I get paid? It now says a minimum required as $800 again, and you can get through PayPal. I said you can get through PayPal there, and it says the bank transfer at the end of every month. So how much can you earn? Well, this depends on your efforts and how much work you promote your link. So all you've got to do here, guys, there's no actual tasks to do. It's basically just promoting the link. So I don't quite understand how you're going to actually earn this money. How are they going to pay you? There's no ads that are popping up anywhere. So I don't really know what that entails. It obviously says down the bottom here, anti-cheat. It says, please note that we have a strong anti-cheat system. So do not bother sending fake traffic. Well, what's worse than fake traffic is just if you spam your link out there and everyone just clicks on it, because that's like fake traffic to begin with, isn't it? It says eventually you will not get paid and your account will be banned. But it also says here, please note that if you do not log into your account in more than 30 days, your earnings will be lost. So again, that's another red flag. I mean, why would you lose your earnings? You could be ill or something, not log in for 30 days, and your account is obviously you're going to lose all your earnings. So at the end of this day, let's just go and dive a little bit more into this. So I've gone onto a site called who.is and I've put in the payoutproject.com. And this will tell us a little bit more about the domain. Obviously, they said they started in 2021. Well, as you can see here, it was registered in 2023. So that's 2 years after they state on their website. And obviously, it was updated again beginning of 2024 and it expires in 2025. And also they say they're a limited company, a registered company in the US. What it says here, the domain registration is Reykjavik. So that is obviously not in America. So again, loads of red flags here, guys. And if you want a good way to obviously earn money online, then why not try affiliate marketing? Affiliate marketing is something I do, and I've earned over 6 figures doing affiliate marketing over the years. I've got a actual free mini course that you can actually take, which gives you the basis of how you get started in affiliate marketing. And also, in one of the videos, it will tell you my best paying program that you can actually go and join. That you can actually join, I think it's for about $7 one-off fee, and you can start earning on 7 different incomes. So if there's something that obviously resonates with you and you want to actually earn money, but you want to earn money that you're actually going to get paid, because I don't think this is going to pay out, then make sure you check out the links in the description below this video where I can go and help you to obviously get success online. But at the end of the day, just summing up Payout Project, there was too many red flags here, guys. I even signed up. When I signed up with a fake email because I wondered whether you would actually go and have to verify your email before you actually got an account. You don't. So that, again, is another red flag. That if you never have to verify your email, then it's pretty certain that they're not really interested in getting legit people on this system. They're obviously interested in just getting a volume of people, and then they're going to obviously show ads, I presume, at a later date, and that's how they earn their money, or they're actually going to sell your details, one or t'other. But as you can see from this, it's very, very basic website. Not being some of it is obviously not well written, and obviously some of it is stating they're contradicting themselves in just literally one sentence after the other. So I would leave a Payout Project well alone and concentrate on legit sites. And there's plenty more of those if you sign up to my YouTube channel. I've got a whole playlist of paid to sites and survey sites that you can go and join and start earning cash straight away. Trust you found that useful and interesting. If you did, smash up the like button for us. Don't forget to watch these videos next. And if you haven't already, make sure you subscribe to the channel, hit that notification bell, and you'll get notified every time we make a new video. That's it for today. We will see you on the next video.